Today marks 40 years since the landmark Supreme Court ruling on the case of Roe versus Wade. It was January 22nd, 1973, when the High Court legalized abortions under most conditions. A new NBC News Wall Street Journal poll finds 70% of Americans say Roe v. Wade should not be overturned. The poll also found that 54% of Americans say abortion should be legal, either always or most of the time. Governor Rick Perry is, of course, not among those supporters. He's calling for tougher state laws against abortion, saying, quote, Roe v. Wade paved the way for the loss of more than 54 million innocent lives, with more than 1 million added to that total with each passing year. When talking about Texas laws, he added, quote, we will continue working to empower families and protect our children's future until the day abortion is nothing more than a tragic footnote in our nation's history. There's talk that the governor will push a fetal pain bill as an emergency item this legislative session. The bill would attempt to bar abortions after 20 weeks of pregnancy when it's believed the fetus can feel pain.